What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I've been having a little bit of success when it comes to Margex, and I wanted to go through the leverage trading that we are seeing today and what my expected outcome really is of it. This is a trial run for trying out a new strategy. And some people have told me that trying out a new strategy should be for paper trading. And typically, when it's in the stock market, I would do paper trading. Crypto market, you have to kind of work through it. You have to work through understanding a lot about it. And a lot of times I'll start with a low amount of money, especially if I have any type of gains, in order to see a strategy work out the right way. Now, we've seen a dip in the crypto market quite a bit. Where Solana, came down from like 120 all the way down to actually like 84. I got liquidated off of a position that I had there. ADA came down to a lower price. I got liquidated from that position. But luckily, these are like small positions that I'm holding, right? Anything less than $50, I'm okay with, right? Doing that trial run. Obviously, I don't want to throw hundreds upon hundreds of dollars into plays that are just going to be liquidated. So I want to figure out the right balance. Now, in the beginning, I was looking at higher leverage multipliers. And when I was seeing those higher leverage multipliers, that's what really got me liquidated a lot faster. Now, I break down leverage trading in the Patreon all the time. If you guys want to go and subscribe to my personal Patreon, I break down leverage trading. And also, you can ask me any questions you really want to. If you have any concerns about what a certain thing is said or what you should do, I'm really working through it as well. So you'll be able to understand what I've done wrong and what I feel like I've done right. So definitely check out my Patreon down below, as well as if you guys want to sign up for Margex. They are a partner with my YouTube channel. So definitely go ahead and use that link, that referral link down below. Sign up for Margex, start trading today, because I think as we see it blow up, you're never going to find these opportunities again to see things flow for the long term. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let's go ahead and get into Margex. So if you look at my Margex account right now, you can see all of the open positions that I do have. If we look at this comp position, so I ended up using, I can't remember what I used. I ended up using like XRP or something. I can't remember. It might be Solana, but I used a small amount for it to buy the asset. I bought comp, but then I have a $5 gain or 34%. If we look at Caspa, I'm up 28%. If we look at Sol or Solana, I'm up 66% or $51. I am down on these two positions, AVAX and XRP, and then I'm up on BTC by about 900% or $163. So what I'm doing with this, the reason why I'm doing this within Margex is because I want to test out a leverage trading strategy. And most people, when they go into leverage trading, they're doing it like very, very short term, to where it's like a quick turnaround, 1, 2 days, a week, something like that, right? It could be a day trade, it could be a swing trade. I looked at that and I saw that as an opportunity, and I was like, yeah, that definitely seems legit. You can find some success there. But if cryptocurrency isn't holding their lows and or their support levels and the resistance levels well, it's very difficult to feel that out. I was looking at the 200 EMA, I was looking at the 15 moving average, I was looking at different simple moving averages, and they just didn't line up. And even certain supports that looked like they were strong based on multiple touch points weren't lining up. And that's how the crypto market really is. It busts through supports and resistances very, very easily. And I think you guys need to realize that. So it makes it very difficult to day trade or swing trade. So, anyways, if we go into this and understand what my strategy really is, if we look at the leverages, we have a 10x leverage, a 10x leverage, 8x leverage, 5x leverage, 5x leverage, and the only one that we're seeing that's a massive leverage is the BTC position, which I felt like I grabbed it at a low, right? Or a lower point. And I'm up, a decent amount on that one position, but then I'm also up on other positions. Now, the mistake that I've made in the past is having too far of a leverage, because what I noticed was that the liquidity or the complete liquidation point was very close to where my current price was or where my open price was. And that's not what I want, right? My open price is $48 and my liquidity price or liquidation price is 43 or 44. So it seems like it's closer than it actually is, but this is pretty far away compared to where it was before. Like before, it was if it moved $1, I was liquidated, right? And that's not really what you want. Or like you look at BTC here, I invested, my open price is 42,300. My liquidation price is 42,100. So it's very close to where I invested at, meaning that you have no room for error really. You have to find it kind of at the low point or catch it absolutely on the way up and see that distance that's created as soon as you invest into it. That's not the way you want to invest because you have to predict exactly where the bottom is or exactly where the top is, depending if you're shorting it. So my strategy turned from a short-term position into a long-term position. I want to see crypto, since I do believe in cryptocurrency overall, I believe that cryptocurrency is going to fly. So if Bitcoin is going to find a way to get to $100,000 and I bet a smaller amount that it's going to get to $100,000, I can do that. Right? If I see Solana that's going to get to, maybe a $200 price point or $300, $400, $500 price point, whatever, and I'm betting to see that happen, right? I'll take a 5x, I'll take an 8x leverage and kind of weigh my options and not see as much of a return, but also have a little bit of give on the sell side or on the negative side so that it doesn't fully get liquidated within a dollar drop, right? So I wanted to make it very easy on myself and very easy on a lot of other people. So if we need a further explanation of what's going on here with Margex, I can definitely do that. I plan on making plenty of videos about this portfolio and also continually adding to this portfolio. Again, there could be things that I add that are, I'm looking at maybe a 20x leverage, but I'm never going to find a way to go up to 100x leverage unless I find the absolute bottom, which I've not been able to do because typically the absolute bottom comes at like 4 in the morning for me, or 3 in the morning when I'm not even awake. So it's very difficult for me to find the absolute bottom within a day or the absolute bottom within kind of a downtime in the market, right? So anyways, this is where we stand. I'm up a decent amount overall, and I expect XRP to come back. I expect AVAX to come back and make some moves as well and be able to be larger gainers overall. And honestly, the whole reason to why I'm doing this is because I want to use other people's money to make me money, right? We shouldn't only be relying on the money that we do have, but a lot of wealthy people will use other people's money in order to make money, but they do it effectively. They do it the right way. So I want to find a way to use other people's money and invest in a market that I truly believe in, that majority of people, especially around this space, truly believe in, that crypto is going to explode and get to a $5 to $10 trillion market cap, if not further. And as it does make those moves, I'm invested for the long run to see what those can end up being. And when those do end up getting to certain levels, I'm making tens of thousands of dollars from various positions that I'm invested into while only investing hundreds of dollars. So that'll be interesting. Very, very interesting. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. Make sure you guys sign up for Margex if you guys want to go along this journey with me. And on my personal Patreon, I am going through a lot of leverage trading. I have a whole section on leverage trading. And I'm going to continue to add videos anytime I have anything that I feel like we really need to add. The last video that I uploaded was about cross leverage versus the isolated leverage. And I think that's something that's very, very beneficial for a lot of people. So again, here's my portfolio right now. Things are looking pretty decent. Some things are down, but majority of them are up. You can see that Solana up by 75%. Bitcoin is almost up by 1,000% as of right now, as of the time of recording this video. It is up 1,000% as of the time of recording this video. It just jumped above it. So I'm excited for that. Guys, hit that like button, check out Margex down below, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.